Ladies and gentlemen, yes, that's right, I'm back in Sant'Agata Bolognese, and yes, we already have a couple interesting Lambos driving by. Very loud Urus and oh, beautiful Temerario. I mean, not the worst start we've ever had, right? Let's see what Lamborghini has in store for us today. What a great spec on our first Revuelto! Alright, Urus SE! Wait, what? Damn, I almost missed the Temerario Spyder prototype. It was way too quiet. I think we might have a Urus. Yes, sir, orange one. Hey. And that was a kind of interesting spec with the very thin white dreamlines. Love it. What the fuck? What is a Maserati MC20 doing here in Sant'Agata? Is that some kind of benchmarking going on? I honestly don't know, but very fun indeed. Oh, what? That was nice, the same Revuelto we were already seeing. We definitely have a Urus incoming. Yes, sir! And of course my camera refusing to focus once again. Let's go! There goes another Temerario. Wait a moment, is there another prototype? Now, what is exactly going on with the Temerario Spyder? I honestly have no idea, because we've seen a lot of prototypes lately, but this car is surely not coming before the end of the year, or maybe even 2027. I mean, this year we've already had the Urus SE Performante, and really soon the Revuelto SV, so it's gonna be a while, I guess. Can you guys hear the Temerario? Let's go! What a boss! Oh, and talking about interesting things, how about my new setup? This is my new Flexispot E7 Pro standing desk. You see, I spend way too many hours sitting here editing, working and basically doing boring stuff, so I think I finally deserve an upgrade. First of all, this setup is surprisingly quick. The instructions are really detailed and easy to follow. The screws are already separated into different bags and they even provide all the tools you need. 10 out of 10 straight out of the box. Trust me when I say I've never had such a clean desk before. It looks amazing and the lifting function is also really smooth. You can save your preferred heights using the included control panel, so switching between sitting and standing up is literally just a button press. Now what really helps with the overall look is the built-in cable management, because it keeps everything underneath the desk much cleaner and more organized. A+ once again. After using it for a while, I genuinely enjoy being able to change position throughout the day instead of sitting for hours and hours, and considering the build quality, the features and the pricing, I think it's a really cost-effective upgrade to any setup. And yes, you can obviously customize it however you prefer thanks to this super cool configurator on the website. Now, they say the E7 Pro can support up to 160 kilos, so I obviously had to put it through the Varix test. Yeah, I guess it really works. Now don't forget that you also get a 10-year warranty and 60 days free returns on every order, which I've never seen anywhere else. I mean, what are you waiting for? If you want a proper upgrade to your working desk or gaming setup, or maybe you are just curious about their other products, I will leave the link to their store in the description and in the pinned comment down below. And now back to Lambos! Very dark grey Urus SE. Oh my god! How about these specs on this combo? Both Revuelto and Urus SE Performante in purple! Let's go! Guess what? The MC20 is back! Now let's see if it goes inside the factory. Oh, no way! Yes, it was a benchmarking one then! Yet another rules, I guess. Very simple one. Hold up, is there another camouflage prototype? Now what the hell is going on with this one? I mean, Lamborghini just released the Urus SE Performante, so what could it be? And also, was it on Ingolstadt plates? Oh! What a great color on this Temerario Alleggerita! Hey, we do have another Temerario. Oh, come on! Okay, different spec. Urus! Another white one. Silver with yellow details. Hey, is that a purple Lambo? Oh, Whoa, what? Okay, beautiful spec. The hell is that Urus? What? Okay. Oh, I love this shade of blue. Orange Urus SE. And now one of the Temerario Spyder prototypes is back. I think we might have a Lambo hiding behind the bushes here. Oh! Friendly driver, but very boring spec, unfortunately. Come on, this has to be an older prototype, right? Not bad at all. There you go. And this silver Urus